Hi guys, welcome to my videos. If you are in Canada, you know you get a lot of air duct cleaning calls. Sometimes it's really annoying because this is not something you would expect to receive. But if you search online or anywhere, people are just struggling with these calls. So how you can actually stop it? Well, while there's no way you can actually stop this because every time it comes from a different number, or at least most of the times. So number blocking is also not an option because although they call from out of Canada, it appears like a local number. So how are you gonna go right? So there is a way. Like it worked in my case, at least for some days until I receive another call, because there is not any guarantee that there's only one call center. There could be multiple call centers, multiple people from multiple locations could be dialing. So what happened in my case, like a guy called and he was calling from a place whose local language I know. So I spoke to him in his local language. You can use English as well because these guys speak English. So I request him very humbly, and I told him that whatever he was doing was so much annoying for me, and every day I'm receiving calls and something that I really don't want. It's too much, too bad. So the guy on the other side was polite. Sometimes you may find something like a difficult guy, but in this case, on my last conversation, the guy on the other side was polite. So he told me a way this can be stopped. I said, yeah. Then I asked him, what is the way? He told me, like, if I confirm him that I live in a rented apartment where I'm not supposed to get my air duct cleaned, then he's gonna add me. He said that his call center is maintaining a list of rented apartment guys where they don't call people because these guys are not gonna get it done. So he may add my number. I said yes. I did not tell him where I was living, but I told yes, I'm in rented apartment. uh, Put it over there. I did not tell him my name, address, anything. I just said put it over there so that I don't get any call. Because what happens if you don't do, like, there's no guarantee you will not receive another call. Still, there is no guarantee, but at least, like, I'm observing that I haven't got the call for a while, and hopefully I won't get again. But you never know. There are many other call centers, and how frequently they refresh their list, nobody knows. So thanks for watching this, guys.